In this video, I'll show you how to run a bonus payroll in Gusto. First, sign into your Gusto account and open your company dashboard. From the main menu, go to Payroll. Next, click Run Off-Cycle Payroll to create a payroll outside your regular pay schedule. Select Bonus or the appropriate payroll type if prompted. After that, choose the employees who will receive a bonus and enter the bonus amount for each employee. Review the payroll details, including taxes and any applicable deductions or withholdings. Now, carefully review the payroll summary to confirm that all bonus payments are correct. If everything looks good, approve and submit the payroll for processing. Finally, monitor the payroll status from your dashboard and confirm that the bonus payments have been processed successfully. Employees will receive their bonus according to the selected payment method and payroll timeline. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to run a bonus payroll in Gusto. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.